Hey everyone, my name is Austin Bram, and I am the AI evangelist here at Everworker. Let me introduce to you our Tier 1 customer support AI worker. This AI agent automatically handles all Tier 0 and Tier 1 support inquiries, password resets, account updates, order tracking, and basic troubleshooting. It understands natural language, accesses systems in real time, and provides instant, accurate responses 24/7 across all channels. The financial impact is substantial. For a typical company that's handling, 10,000 to 15,000 monthly tickets, where 70% of those tickets are either Tier 0 or Tier 1, we're looking at $500,000 to $1.2 million in annual savings. You're reducing costs from per ticket from a range of $8 to $15 now down to under $2. So from a customer experience perspective, you get 3 major wins. Instant response times, which customers get answers in under 30 seconds instead of waiting 5 to 15 minutes on hold. True 24/7 availability, no more degraded service on the nights and weekends, and perfect consistency. Every customer gets the same accurate on-brand response regardless of when they reach out. This frees your human agents to focus exclusively on complex issues that require empathy, judgment, and that human touch. Now let me show you how this AI worker actually works. This is a specialized AI worker built as an always-on workflow. It coordinates multiple subagents. One subagent reads and summarizes the latest email thread so we never miss context. Another performs a focused vector memory search against your knowledge base, which includes, let's say in our case, help.everworker.ai, and any other sources that you would like to connect. A third subagent plays the role of a support engineer. It composes a concise, accurate reply that follows your actual brand voice that you set up. We layer in explicit guardrails, use only verified knowledge, do not guess. If the answer is unknown, escalate this gracefully. This AI worker then formats the reply in clean HTML format and includes a direct link to the most relevant documentation when available. Or an example, like for me, it can actually link to a YouTube video or a demo video or whatever you would like. Because it is integrated with your Microsoft Graph or whatever API that you would like to use for your systems. And in this case, it owns a dedicated support inbox. That lets it monitor, understand, and respond to multi-turn threads while preserving full continuity. The same worker can be deployed anywhere you need it. Embedded web chat in your product or portals, SMS or WhatsApp, Slack for internal teams, or maybe even voice through a toll-free number. Let's go ahead and do a walkthrough demo of actually using email, since that is often the fastest way to deploy. Here is the first message that the worker receives. Hello, how can I configure an AI worker to have some memory in background, like a permanent context? For example, if I wanted to always remember our policies or documentation. Basically just a normal email that is asking a very specific question about our system. The worker then reads the thread, extracts the precise question, runs a vector search across our internal knowledge base, and drafts a clear answer. The reply explains that a persistent memory is achieved by connecting vector memory to your curated sources. This comes from our exact documentation, and it even links out to the appropriate document for them to read through on their own. Now, on top of this, oftentimes things like this, they're going to have follow-up questions then afterwards. This AI worker has the ability to do a continuous thread with this user. So this user asks, is there any advice that you can give me to improve this vector memory? Should I pass the full context request of a user? Then the worker can continuously respond in plain language with actionable guidance. It recommends summarizing the user's request into a compact semantic query before retrieval. So through all of this, the worker continues to manage the thread end to end. It answers additional questions, links to the right articles, and escalates only when necessary based on your rules. It's completely customizable. This is the promise of custom AI workers built to handle your complex support processes. They run in your channels, they use your knowledge, they follow your playbooks, and they get smarter as you connect more systems and more data. Everworker is your fastest path from AI strategy to AI results. And make sure before you go, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and make sure to like and follow us across our social medias so you can stay up to date on everything that Everworker is doing, as well as seeing more of our AI workers in action. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.